How to remove filter from Snapchat photos or pictures. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is on how you can remove filter from Snapchat photos. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. First step, you will need to update your Snapchat to the latest version. So head over to your App Store, and on your App Store simply search for Snapchat. After you search for Snapchat, open that up. And now if you see an update button instead of open, just tap on update and update your app. After you finally updated your app, you can then go ahead and open it up. So right here, first thing that you'll need to keep in mind is that the Snapchat filter, the picture with the Snapchat filter should be on your memories. If you do have it, open that picture up. And after you have the picture, simply open the picture, and then you will see a drop down button at the right hand side. Simply tap on it and you should see the editing panel open up. All you have to do to remove the edits or the filters is choose this one, that is the no filter option, and basically save this or send it to someone. So you can tap on the cross up on the top left and then save the changes, and there you can see the picture will be saved without the filter. And that's how you remove filter on Snapchat. Thanks for watching. That is it for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.